Right, a lot of my playing is kind of a trick. I use crutches, training wheels, I use everything I can get just to make it sound better for me. I just enjoy playing that way. I know it's kind of cheating, but I don't know, what do you do? I'm a dabbler. I'll never be great at it, and I guess I just want to have fun on it. So, well, anyway, the presets, as they come, have pitch correction turned off, all of them. And I always play with it on. So what I've done is, with all the presets, the pitch correction settings are kind of set to what I like, but then I've turned off on the pitch page. I've turned the level knob, this knob right here on the pitch page. I've got that turned all the way to zeros, which defeats pitch correction. But I like to turn it all the way up to 31, and that helps me hit notes easier, helps me actually use the pitch correction as a performance kind of device. Because if you play a note and you hit it pretty close to center, you'll be right on pretty quickly. If you play a note and you're in between notes and you've got it set up a certain way, with the center knob I've turned up some, it will be slower, so it won't necessarily drag you to the wrong note if you're playing kind of in between notes to when you're starting a note. So it's useful. It's hard for me to listen to things that are off pitch, so it's pitch correction's nice to have. You can always turn it down, turn the level down, and then it won't be quite as noticeable. Like, I'd say somewhere between 24 and 31 is aggressive, but 24 will be less noticeable because it won't be like smack dab trying to nail the pitch exactly every time. Particularly when you're recording and you're recording multiple voices or multiple instances of a voice, and doing it in a multi-track situation. You don't want them. You don't want the phase to align and to reveal the perfect pitch that way.